Hi everyone. So I have an 8 by 20 canvas and we're going to do a flip and drag. I'm going to be using black, cerulean blue, Prussian blue from Grumbacher, and I think I'm going to throw a little silver in there. Okay, so I'm going to take my little, actually I got some little 3-ounce cups, so I'm going to try these now and see how they work. So I'm going to start with some black. Some cerulean blue. Some Prussian blue. And some silver. And I will give those a little swirl. And I'm going to put it right in the middle. I like to poke a hole just to keep the air so it doesn't stick to the canvas too much. You do have to let it loose in the beginning. Lift and get some white and bring that black down. I'm just stretching it out. Bring it back to the middle, and I am going to head this way. And then I'll bring it back. I have one little spot here where it's kind of shallow. So I'm going to go in and dip. But what I'll do is push the airbrush through there to blend some of that in. Let's give it a torch and get rid of some air bubbles. So what I do is grab the very edge and push it out just to filigree it a little bit. Add some wispiness to the painting. I have this airbrush available in my Amazon shop, and that link is below. All the supplies that we use for acrylic pouring are in my Amazon shop. Even the washing machine tray that I work on is there as well. A lot of people ask me how I keep this so level. Save the box that your tray comes in and cut yourself a piece of cardboard to fit inside it. and then just cover it with a plastic tablecloth. Keeps it nice and clean, so you're not left with gobs of paint. And you don't have to use these underpads. You can use butcher paper or parchment paper, whatever you can find that's available for you. Fixing that spot where we added some white. There, that's better. I kind of like this. I'm just going to touch the very edges. I'm going to turn it around so I can do the other side. When I do that, I can always grab these edges and pull them closer towards me to make them fan out just a little bit more. So I really wanted to fill this canvas up quite a bit. So while you're here, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Check out all my links below. If you want to sponsor the channel, that link is below as well. We do quarterly drawings for all of our sponsors, and every time you donate, you get an entry. So if you donate every week or twice a month, you put your name in there every time we get a donation. And that drawing will be November 1st. I think I'm liking it right where it's at right now. Let me give you a close-up. So click like and share, leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with us on Etsy and Amazon and Redbubble. We have a fan mail now, and that is Christina Welch Art, P.O. Box 863, Youngsville, North Carolina, 27596. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.